Yeah, so let us start. Online team, can you hear me? One zero five, 106. Yeah, we'll do one thing. Let me create a folder here. That folder name is a projects. What is the folder name? Project or project. Even you can give your name. That is still fine actually. So let me just try to copy. Ecom Vision, where it is? Yeah, here. Then capture the first folder. Minimize this one. I will come back here. Don't worry. Now, fine then. So please understand. Simple. Throughout this project, the very first point is whenever you are going to join any company, not only in company, in real time, how to create a project structure, you should aware. No question in that actually. You should aware. When I say the project name, when I say the project structure, first point is what is your name of the project. First point is what exactly? What is your name of the project? That too, what is the pack? How many packages are available? How many Python programs are available? That too, especially who are all adding experience on an average 2 years, 3 years. You are adding an experience, right? Though regularly you are working the project like a 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years actually. Then you should aware name of the project and files in a project actually. Sir, are you getting what I'm saying? Good. Now let me open this one. So the very first one is project name is a Ecom Vision. What is the project name? No, I wanted to show file number one in first project, file number two in second project, file number three in third project. That's what I'm giving the numbers actually. Like Ecom Vision 1, Ecom Vision 2, Ecom Vision 3, something like that. If you open Ecom Vision 1, like here inside of this one, you can find these are all things actually. The first one is what exactly, sir? SRC folder. What is the first one? Folder. There is a difference between folder and package. Am I right? There is a difference between what exactly? Folder and package. Folder means not a direct small directory. Package means group of module, and at the same time underscore init underscore file is required actually. I will cover you that one. Yeah, there is a one more file read.md file actually. Next one is a requirements.txt file. Requirements dot what exactly? Txt file. Good. If you open this md.py file, and if you are opening this one here inside of this one, there was a some project name, what is object to, what all technology you are using, when you have started this project structure is like this actually. These are all they will explain. Some project information. What information, sir? Project related information. Generative. Okay, hold on. Good. Come on, look at my screen. I hope you already explained actually. Requirements.txt. Instead of installing the package names like a one by one, pip install numpy, pip install pandas, pip install sklearn, scikit-learn, instead of this one, you can add all packages names in one file actually. That file name is called as a requirements.txt file. Then this file we need to run in one shot actually. Open a command prompt and pip install -r name of the file. Tell me one more time command actually. Pip install -r name of the file. Then open SRC. when you open SRC, sir, here and what's important. SRC means, first of all, it is having source code. It is having what exactly? Let me tell you, whenever you are writing any Python program, ensure that that Python program we have to write inside SRC only. Outside of the SRC, we should not write. Outside of the SRC file, we should not write actually. That's what while explaining PyCharm actually, I hope you might aware. I have created a folder. Folder name is called as what exactly? SRC. Anyway, this project also I will show actually. Inside SRC, I'm trying to creating one more folder. What is that folder name? Ecom. Good. Let me just try to open SRC. So I have opened SRC. When I'm opening SRC folder, source code folder, inside of SRC folder, we have a one folder, something like a package actually. Next one main Python program. Then one main program is available. Let me tell you. So imagine for every home, there is a starting door. Every home, there is what exactly, sir? Starting door. That is called as a main door. Whenever you are writing, you are implementing any kind of project actually, for every project, there should be a main file. There should be what exactly? Main file. For this project, the main file name is a run underscore ecom. What is that one, sir? I mean, you can run the e-commerce project. That file name is called as a run underscore ecom. I will open this one. What it is available, I will show you. Team, are you getting everyone? Come on, let me repeat one more time. Ecom vision 1, src, read.md, requirement.txt. Inside src, ecom is available. Yes, Daniel, ecom is available. And if you want, you can open this one. Sir, nothing is there. Just a hello example actually. Welcome to Ecom Vision project. In next project, you can see the output actually. You know, right, how to run this file? Am I right? You know? Yeah, come on. So it's so you know very well. You can just try to open a command prompt here and you can just try to run this file actually. Do I need to run this file? Tell me what file I need to run? Python program we need to. Sir, what happened? Are you fine today? Seems to be so dull. Please be active. If you need any chocolates, ice creams, do let me know. Yes, we can hear it. We'll go to in ice cream. There is a one cream stone, sir. We can go actually. All we can. All right, let's move on. Good. Once you are opening ecom folder, so first of all, this ecom is called as a package. Ecom is called as what exactly? When we can say specific thing is a package, you know, sir. First of all, that folder should contain this file. This file name is a underscore underscore init underscore underscore, where I discussed this point, you know, boss, during Python programming language. Let me repeat one more time. I understand. So first of all, don't get confused actually. Don't get a confused. The first one will be uh, underscore underscore init underscore underscore. This is name actually. This is what exactly? Name. This topic we are using in it two places. This one we are using in it two places. The first topic name is called as a package. Inside package, you know, this is called as a underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py file. What file, sir? Dot py file. And the next topic name is a oops. What is the next topic name? Inside whoops actually, can somebody talk with me? This is called as what exactly? Any idea? Yeah, good. This is called as what exactly? Constructor. So there is no relation actually. Don't please try to compare. Today we are discussing about the file, but not constructor. Are you with me? Good. You have to remember that one. First of all, today what we are discussing, this is not a constructor. This is not what is a file name. This is what exactly, sir? File name. File name. Then this topic we already discussed in a package topic. What topic actually? Package. Are you getting your one? Yeah, good. Let's move on. Simple. Understand the project structure, sir. So later you will understand all stuff one by one actually. It takes some time, but let me just try to understand. Yeah, good. SRC, inside SRC folder, ecom folder is available. Inside ecom folder, utilities is available. Again, underscore underscore init is available. What is available, sir? Underscore underscore init. If you want, we can open this. Ecom I'm opening, and inside of this one, underscore underscore init file is available. If you open this one, there is a something actually. If you want, you can ignore, not required to write also. But still we are writing. There are few special variable. Version, next one is what exactly? Other. these are all two special variable. If you want, I will tell you what do you mean by version. Any idea? Py. Import pandas. Import what exactly? Pandas. If you wanted to know version name of the pandas, there is a special attribute always actually as PD. Sorry, sir. As PD. PD dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore actually. Let me repeat one more time. Underscore underscore version underscore underscore. It returns the version number, the package version name actually. Are you with me? Good. Same thing like that. Import OpenAI, something like a generative AI actually. Then OpenAI dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. We are using this version actually. Same thing like that. NumPy. Import NumPy or NumPy. Yeah. NP dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. All right. I hope you're getting. Sir, are you with me? Good. But anyway, I'm just trying to writing a specific project version actually. If you want, you can delete this one also. I'm deleting, nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. So seems to be empty code. What code actually? Empty code. That is okay. Let's move on very quickly. Then inside of utilities, inside of what exactly? Utility. You know the meaning of utility? Utility means on daily what you are using, that is called as a utilities. That is called as what exactly? In our home, a water container, that is a utility. That is what exactly, sir? All four members we are using. Am I right or not? Water glass, that is called as a utility. These are all common utilities actually. Now, even you can open here also, nothing is available here. This is the empty file. Now, even there is this file. What is the file name? Tools.py. Now, this one also, welcome to the tools module. Welcome to what exactly? Tools module. Get ready. I have a question for you. Total, how many Python programs? Total, how many Python programs? Four Python programs. Total, how many Python programs? Four Python programs. Where are all extension? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you understand? But anyway, these two are not considerable. These two we no need to tell as a Python programs actually. Tools.py. Next one is run underscore ecom.py actually. Did you understand? Good. So the first project why I have created, this is just for understanding the structure. This is just for understanding what exactly structure. In a next project means I'm going to tell you in another 2 minutes actually. There you can see the real time code. Why we are creating these are all things. What are all these are all things actually. First of all, did you understand? If you understand, I have a one question for you guys. Get ready. I'm closing everything and you have to tell. Get ready. Open this one. I'm opening this one. What are all things are available inside of Ecom Vision 1? What all things are available? First one, SRC. Next one, read.md file. Next one, tell me. Yeah, good. I hope you know. Requirements.txt, not .py. Good. I'm trying to opening SRC. Inside SRC, what is available? What is available? One folder. What is the folder name? Ecom. Ecom means the shortcut for the e-commerce. Next one is one Python program is available. What is that Python program? Ecom underscore, run underscore ecom. Here we need to run the project actually. Then click on ecom. At least this one tell me, sir. Utilities. Next one is a underscore underscore init. If I open this one, what is available? Tools.py. Next one is a underscore underscore init. I'm sure you got a clear idea actually. Good. Am I right? Good. Let's move on. I will pick out one more project. Take the second. Sir, this is important. It takes minimum 10 to 15 minutes for your better understanding. I copied here actually. Good. Online team, are you ready, sir? Can I get a response? Online team? Let me drink water. Good. Code I will open later. Let me open the files in front of you. Let me just try to open the files in front of you. Ecom Vision 2. Let me open, sir. Yeah. Yes, I have opened. Anything is new? Nothing is new actually. Same thing like a previously. Here previous it is the capital letter, it is the lower case actually. That is still fine. Come on, I need a response from you. First one is SRC folder. Next one is read.md file. Next one is requirements. Requirements.txt file. Very good. And let me open SRC. Let me open what exactly, sir? SRC. No more changes. Ecom only. Here is what exactly? Ecom. Next one is run underscore ecom dot py. Am I right? Run underscore ecom dot py. Can I open the code actually? Hold on, suspense. I will show you. Then let me open ecom. Let me open what exactly? Ecom. Sir, wherever a kind of this kind of file is available, some cache file folder it will be created. That is optional, sir. You can delete that. You can delete that. Right. I would like to say one thing. What is that one? The same copy paste actually. Let me just try to take here also. But only the project name is changed. What is the change actually? Two. Now in this project, you need to understand what you need to understand. Look at my screen, sir. First of all, if somebody has given the project, first what we need to ask, what is the main file in the program? Can you repeat one more time? What is the main file? Main file in the sense, sir, what happened? Online team, I'm getting some text actually. Let me hide this one first. Good. So in the given project, the main file is called as a run underscore ecom. What is the main file? Run underscore ecom. Can I open that file? Are you ready? Come on, let me open. You just try to come here. Yeah. Ecom vision 2. I'm trying to opening this file and run underscore ecom file actually. Sir, there is a some code actually. Interesting. There is a some code. There is a some code. So please observe here. Read the heading. What is this one? Without using underscore underscore init file. I'm not using underscore underscore init file as of now actually. I hope please don't ask what is a from and what is input actually. I hope you know. Yeah, these two are what exactly? Keyword. I mean to say that what we're trying to do, from ecom folder, open. Yeah, ecom folder is available. Inside of ecom folder, what is available? Utilities. What is available? Utilities. Inside utilities, what is available? Tools.py. Am I right or not, sir? Good. I would like to say ecom is a folder, utilities is a folder, tools is a module. Tools is what exactly? Inside that module, there is a function. I mean to say that without looking into this file, you need to understand, okay, there is a function. That function name is what exactly? Load underscore data. What is the function name? Did you understand that line or not? Are you with me? Good. Now move to the next line. Move to the next line. Can somebody explain about this line, sir? Just somebody explain. We are importing the function. Then what is this line? Line number 12 actually. Function returning. Very good. Now we have written some function. That function having the return statement. That function having what exactly? Return statement. That's why we are assigning into what exactly? Variable. That's why we are assigning into what exactly? Variable. Now I know all you guys are more anxiety. Do you wanted to see this function actually? Are you ready? Just I'm thinking or else your anxiety. So tell me. Let me show you that one. Come on, let me show you that. You need to open ecom folder. Yes, I'm opening this one. And you need to open utilities actually. Then you need to open tools.py. Tools.py. Get ready, sir. This is really very interesting. Look at my screen, everyone. In real time, we can write the code like this actually. As I used to tell, always we need to use function programming language to get the output actually. First line is what exactly? Import pandas as a PD. We are importing the pandas package. And next one is a def load underscore data. I mean, we are writing a function. Am I right? That too, this is called as a doc string. This is called as what exactly? Doc string. Also called as a comment. Also called as what exactly? Comment. I mean to say that I have created this function. This function purpose I need to tell actually. Being a senior, I need to tell. What is the function purpose? Load online retail data set of transaction items. Okay. Whenever you are calling this function, ultimately it is having return statement actually. What it is returning, it is returning data frame. It is returning what exactly? Data frame. Good. I have one question for you. Look at my screen. Sir, I have given one CSV file. Come on. Please look at my screen. I have given one CSV file. How to create a data frame? Talk with me. PD dot read underscore CSV. Very good. Something like this. Here we need to provide sales1 dot CSV. Next one, I have given Excel file, or else I have given a JSON file. I have given JSON file. PD dot read underscore JSON. Very good. And here we need to provide what exactly? Sales1 dot JSON. JSON actually. Sir, same thing like that. Let me give one URL. Let me give what exactly? URL. Right, good. Let me take one URL actually. So let me just try to take this URL from here to here. When you hit that URL, you are going to get a data. You are going to get what exactly, sir? Data. Let me just try to hit that URL. It takes some time. Why? Because it returns a lot of data. Very good. First of all, I'm going to share one URL with you. That URL name ending with online retail dataset.csv, kind of some file actually. I mean to say that there is a one git repository actually. Inside that git repository, somebody saved the file. That file name is called as a csv file. What is that file name, sir? Now, conclusion of the story, whenever you are hitting that URL, you are getting the data. You are getting what exactly? That too. Are you thinking anything? Have you seen this kind of data somewhere? Where we have seen? Any idea? Otherwise, we didn't see, right? Come again. EDA project. What project? EDA project. Few guys not connected actually. Please look at my screen. We have done EDA project. In EDA project, what is the first column name? Invoice number. Second one, stock code. Description is in capital letter. Did you remember at least now actually? Total how many rows? Tell me. Sir, don't ask that kind of questions. You are thinking, right? Total 5 lakhs. How many? Nearly 5 lakhs, sir. It is okay. It is a lot of data set actually. The very big and huge data set actually. Good, look at my screen. Now what we are doing, by taking this URL, let me create a data frame. Let me create what exactly? Data frame. Did you understand? Good. Let me show you how to do that. Now simple, I have created a one string variable actually. I have created a one string variable. And inside that variable, I'm storing the value. The value is what exactly, sir? URL. Value is what exactly? URL. All right. Now, can I ask a question? Whenever you are calling this one, it is returning what exactly, sir? Data frame. It is returning what exactly? Data frame. Yeah, return df. Now, simple. Tools.py having a function. Function name is a load underscore data. Function name is what exactly? Load underscore data. Now, what you can do, if you want, you can call this function wherever you want actually. That's what we are calling. Whenever you are calling this function, you need to assign to the variable. You need to assign into what exactly? Variable. Why we need to assign, sir? Because here it is having what exactly? Return statement. Did you understand? Sir, frankly speaking, real-time example. You need to understand this one actually, right? Now I have a question for you. Which file I need to run? Either this file I need to run or this file I need to run. Any idea? Yeah, this file. Why? Because the name is run name, right? No, no, no. Don't think like, here function calling is not available. And here function calling is available actually. All right. Whenever you are calling this function, it returns the data frame. It returns what exactly? Data frame. I hope you already know head is a method. Top 5 rows. Shape is a rows and columns. Columns means all columns it will print. Can I run? Sir, let me tell you one thing. Whenever if you wanted to run this program, for you, internet connection is required. What is required? Why? Because the file I have showed in a cloud actually. I mean to say that the file we are saving in a one Git repo. What is that one actually? Git repository. Let me run this example. If you understand this example, I'm feeling so happy, sir. You understand the structure very clearly actually. Previously one student, what he done mistake, he is running this file and he is checking the output actually. But why only this is getting any idea? Because he is running which project actually? First project. But what project we need to run? Yeah, now go back, cd dot dot go back and cd dot dot go back. Now, yes, this project we need to move on actually. All right, now let us just try to run this one. Are you ready? Can I run? Good, let me run. Sir, whenever you're running, it takes some time. Please be hold on. Loading the data. Yeah, data is being, why it is taking time, Sir, though 5 lakhs records actually, it's supposed to hit the, URL and getting the data actually. Simple. The program what you have written, it is hitting the website, getting the data. That too, it is a data frame. That too, it is what exactly, sir? Please don't ask what is it. Hope you know. You are very smart actually. Good. Did you understand this example or not? Did you understand? If you understand this example, I have one question for you. Get ready. Here, let me write one function. That function will be, let me just try to write def, which function, return, good evening, good evening. Sir, Can somebody help me? This function I wanted to call here. How to call, any idea? First of all, from ecom dot utilities dot tools dot tool, sorry, import. Very good. Wish, actually. Nice. Now you can simply call this function. That too, whenever you're calling, you need to assign into what exactly? Variable. Now you can print what exactly, sir? W. That's it. Nothing is there, sir. Now you can, if you want, you can run this one more time. That's it. Where is good evening? You can cross verify. Yeah, exactly here actually. Sir, I have a question for you. Did you understand? Did you understand? Good. Let's close everything. I'm closing everything actually. All right. Close this one. Close this one. Close this one. Good. I will not ask any questions, but let me give a small recap. Sir, what exactly the motto, Please look at my screen. Here we have written one function, boss. That function name is a load underscore data. That function name is what exactly? Load underscore data. That function is returning data frame. That function is returning what exactly? Then ultimately, can I take the flow like this? Let me take. Here we are writing a function. Yeah, very good. So once you are returning a function, it is returning data frame. It is returning what exactly, sir? Data frame actually. Now, instead of this module, this function, what exactly we are doing, sir? We are trying to accessing inside of this module. To access this one inside of this module, you need to touch these are all things from ecom dot utilities dot tools import. What we need to import actually? Function name. I hope you know. Though function having return statement, function calling, we are assigning into what exactly? Variable. We are assigning into what exactly, sir? Variable. Did you understand? That's it. I hope you understand. Are you with me? Move on to the next example, which is very interesting. Now I have a question for you. From the first project, what I try to explain, the project structure I explained actually. Yeah, just like a how many folders would you have? How many Python programs would you have? But in a second project, I have created one function in certain location. That function we are trying to accessing in another module actually, which is a main file, which is what exactly? Main file. Did you understand? Can I move to the next project actually? Are you with me? Good. Let's move on. Easy, very easy, sir. 5:30. Ecom Vision. Now third project. First of all, whenever you're joining in any project, any company, first part what we need to do is you have to cross verify the project structure. You have to cross verify what exactly? Project structure actually. I have a question for you. I'm opening Ecom Vision 1. What all things are available? Any idea? First one is SRC. Next one is a read.md file. Next one is a requirements. Next one is what exactly? Why requirements? Tell me. Because all packages names configured. What we done actually? All package names we are specifying actually. Very good. If I'm opening SRC, what is available, sir? Yeah, ecom folder is available. There is a main Python program. If I'm opening ecom, what is available? Utilities. Along with that, one module is available. That module name is a init file. What file? Init file. If I'm opening this one, what is available? That's what that structure you need to understand. This is project is something like your family member. You should know what are all files you do have actually. Something like that. Are you ready? Good. You can just try to come here. Ecom Vision 3 you can open actually. See, nothing is there. The structure is the same. Ecom Vision 3 also, but code is not same. I will explain. Open SRC. Same. Everything copy paste, sir. Everything copy paste actually. Nothing is there. Good. Are you ready? Can I open? Yeah. You can just try to come here. Where I need to let me take the same thing. Let me take the same structure, sir, please. Ecom Vision 3. Ecom Vision 3. Am I going speed actually? No, right? Good, good. Sir, can somebody tell me which file I need to open? Any idea? Always you have to open this file. Always. Why? Because from here you need to understand the flow. Generally, here we need to import. If you started from here, you don't know. Even if you run this program, you cannot get anything actually. That's why we need to run this program. This program is importing this module actually, blah blah stuff. Let me show you. Let me show you. Sir, now previously Have you seen the heading actually? What is the heading? Previous file heading actually. Without, yeah, very good. One more time. Without. Now what is this one? With actually. Let me tell you. Close this one and go, let me just try to open. 1 minute, 1 minute. Close this one completely. Now go to Ecom Vision 2. Ecom Vision, what exactly, sir? 2. Now you can just try to open this. Sir, can somebody read this one actually? Can somebody, everyone read this one? What is that one? From ecom dot utilities dot tools import load underscore data. Now let me tell you, writing this much very long package is not recommended actually. We should not write like this. Is there any alternative? I mean to say that, hey Daniel, this one, do we have any alternative actually? Do we have any alternative? Sir, we do have an alternative. If you want alternative, what is that alternative? You can just try to go back, Ecom Vision 3, the same code, you no need to touch anything actually. I would like to say, just import this one, you will get the same output actually. You will get what exactly? This is the alternative solution. This we can achieve by using what exactly, underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py file. Now, conclusion of the story, what we're doing, seems to be this line is a very long line. We are making shorting. We are making short of the line actually. We are just trying to concising the line. We are just trying to what we are applying actually concising. Read this one more time. From ecom dot utilities dot tools import underscore import what exactly load underscore data. But read this one from ecom import utilities. Seriously interesting. If you need this kind of line from here actually, then you need to get the help of underscore underscore init file actually. Are you ready? Can I show you the code? Come on, it's very easy. Please, you have to please focus. Please look at my screen. I'm opening. Every time why I'm closing, why I'm opening, sir. You should know the path where I'm moving here and there actually. Ecom Vision 3 I'm opening. Then just try to open SRC. Then run underscore ecom actually. Very good. You can just try to click on edit with notepad plus plus. Yeah, good. So please observe here. What exactly we are doing, from ecom import what exactly, sir? Utilities. Import what exactly? Utilities. I have a question for you. Let me ask you a question. First of all, import is what? Is it folder or Python program? Listen my question very carefully. Listen my question very carefully. According to the project structure, according to what exactly? Project structure. Utilities, you already know. Do you wanted to see the structure? Come on, let me show you. Let me show you. According to this project structure, when I'm asking about what exactly, talk with me ecom, it is a folder. It is what exactly? Folder. Now what I'm asking, what is utilities? What is utilities? Any idea? It is a package. It is what exactly? Sir, if it is a package, definitely along with that one, there is a one file. What is that file actually? Underscore underscore init. What is available? Go to that one. What you need to do, just you can just try to access this one. Utilities actually. Yeah, good. By using this one, we are trying to accessing load underscore data. I mean, by using folder name, we are trying to accessing load underscore data. Code is the same actually, but do one thing. Instead of utilities, what is available, we can cross verify. You can just try to come here, sir. Open this one, and along with this utilities actually, init is available. Just try to close this one. Instead of utilities, there is a one file. Hold on. Close the open utilities. Instead of utilities, along with the tools actually, there is a one file name is a init file actually. Open this one. Sorry, here you need to spend some time. Here you need to spend some time actually. What is the time, please look at my screen. Till now, I have explained the sessions in such a way that init is a empty file. Init is what exactly? Empty file. Instead of this one, you can configure function names. You can configure what names actually? Function names. What is the function name? Load underscore data. Sir, same copy paste from ecom dot utilities dot tools. Inside tools, what is available? Load underscore data is available. What is available? I mean to say that, please listen my point very carefully. First of all, these tools, where it is available, sir? It is available inside in ecom. Inside in where exactly? Ecom. Very good. We are writing that one here actually. Then this load underscore data is available inside of utilities actually. I mean, exactly, sorry, let me repeat one more time. Inside ecom, it is available. Once you are opening ecom, next one is what exactly? Utilities, it is available. Once you open utilities, then what it is available? Tools is available. Then inside tools, what is available? Load underscore data. This is the structure you need to understand actually. Right. If you configure like this actually, here you can use something like a very short line actually. What is that line? From ecom import what exactly, sir? Utilities. But can we please write the previous code actually? Tell me, I need a help actually. Ecom dot utilities dot tools import load underscore data. Sir, which line is pretty good actually? This one or this one? The second one is pretty good. Then what we need to do, take this total line, and this line you need to configure, inside of utilities, there is a one file name is a INET file. What file actually? Until you practice, you can connect this line actually. You have to practice. You have to practice, then only will connect. Do one thing, let me just try to delete these are all stuff. Let me run this program. Let me run this program and let me just try to run this program. You will get a clear picture. I'm running this example. If you need, I will explain one more time. Nothing is there, sir. Just you need to understand. We should get an output. Whenever you are running this program, ensure that you are having the mobile network. Yeah, we are getting an output, sir. We are getting what exactly? Output actually. Come on. There are three things I covered. Let me give a small recap. That's what. Kindly please wake up actually. Ecom Vision 1. From this, what you understand, the project structure you understand. What you understand, sir? Project structure. Project structure actually. Very good. Then the next one will be Ecom Vision 2. Ecom Vision, what exactly? 2. From this one, what we understand, without using underscore INIT file, we run the project. We run the project actually. Did you understand or not? Am I right? Good. Ecom Vision 3. Ecom Vision, what exactly? 3. Whenever you are running this project actually, then let me explain small piece of the code. What is a piece of the code? From ecom dot utilities dot what exactly? Tools import load underscore data. Load underscore what exactly? Data. But here what exactly using? Any idea? We are using, with without, with underscore init file actually. The advantage of this one will be we run the project. We run what exactly, sir? Project. Now, can somebody talk with me? Now, what is the line here actually? From ecom import utilities. Import what exactly? Utilities. This line where we need to configure, sir. Inside utilities, INIT file is available. Here you need to configure. Here you need to configure. Did you understand? Good. Let me show you. Come on, look at my screen. Let me run this code actually. One more time, let me run. And I will write two functions in front of you. You need to tell how to configure. You guys need to tell how to configure. Let me just try to run two functions here. The first function will be def nourish function print. Just first without return statement also will write one thing. Hi. One more function. Def Prasad. Def what exactly? Prasad actually. Return hello. Return what exactly? Hello. I have a question for you. Look at my screen. Total how many functions? Three functions. First function load underscore data, which is having return statement. Second function nourish. If there is no return statement, just call the function. That's it. You no need to assign into any variable. Am I right? If you assign, if you print that variable, what happen? Any idea? Very good, sir. None. You will get an output actually. Nice. we are calling one more function. Function is written what exactly? Written actually. Function is written what exactly, sir? Written. Good. Come on, look at my screen. Sir, these are all fundamental. What is a function? How to write? How to call? You should aware actually. Please, you should aware. Even no, I don't want to go back actually. Good. Come on. Here, get ready. I need a help actually. I wanted to call Naresh actually. Good. If you wanted to call a Naresh, now you can just try to come here. You know, utilities dot Naresh. Can I call directly here actually, sir? You can call. But before you are calling here, you need to do one thing. What is that one? Any idea? Yeah, go to the utilities. Inside utilities, INIT is available. Here you need to configure Naresh. Am I right or not, sir? Did you understand? Come on, tell me. From ecom dot utilities dot tools import what exactly? Naresh. Are you thinking today unnecessarily I came for this session? No, right? Sir, are you with me? Interesting, please. Yeah, good. Now let us just try to run this example. Easy, easy. Can I comment this code? Can I comment this code? As of now, I just wanted to say only this function call. Yeah. Yeah, hi. Now I need next, what is the next function, sir? Any idea? Let me just try to call Prasad actually. Come on, first of all, you can just try to come here. Utilities dot Prasad. What I need to do, any idea? SN into? Very nice, man. Now you can just try to print what exactly? Yeah. Can I run the program? No. You have to configure the function. Where you need to configure, go to, I mean, with what you are calling utilities, go to inside of the utilities. Just try to enter inside of the utilities. Yes, inside of utilities. Open this one. Every time I'm opening for your better understanding. Come on, sir. From ecom dot utilities dot tools. Import what exactly? What exactly? Prasad. Now let us just try to run this example. I hope you understand. Now let me tell you. First of all, this file name is called as what exactly? INIT underscore underscore INIT. No training institute. Never explain this example, sir. I'm sure who are all already know Python actually. If you're Don or master in Python, I'm sure you never ever write in the code inside of this module. Will you accept actually? I'm sure. But in real time, we used to write actually. In real time, we used to write. Simple, sir. We just need to use init file to configure the function name. If you configure the function name, what exactly happen, you know, the module importing is very easy. Module importing is what exactly? Very easy. Let me tell you small fun actually. What is that fun, you know? So from pandas import read underscore CSV. Read underscore what exactly? CSV. Let me tell you one small joke actually. What is that one, you know? Till now, I told pandas is a module. Pandas is what exactly? Sir, pandas is not a module. Pandas is like a ecom folder. Pandas is like what exactly? Ecom folder actually. That's what you need to understand. Inside ecom folder, there is a underscore underscore init file actually. There they have configured everything. There they have configured everything. But trust me, you no need to go to this much depth actually. This much depth you no need to go. But this project you need to understand. I need a response. Did you understand? Yeah, yeah. Come on. You should understand, sir. No option. All right. Let us just try to let me do even this one. I hope you understand very clearly, sir. Control Y. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you following, sir? Can I get a response, please? I need a response, please. All right. Come on, please, please. Let's move on. Thank you. Very quickly, let me just try to. If you want, you can configure Daniel and M1 instead of this INIT, you will understand. Once I have shared this project, actually, you need to do small modification. Then only you will understand very clearly. So I have a question for you. Get ready, sir. Very quickly, I will ask a question. Very quickly. Ecom Vision 1. From Ecom Vision 1, you understand project structure. You understand what exactly? Project structure. Very good. Next one. Ecom Vision 2. What you understand? Any idea? First of all, what exactly we are doing, so the project will be, so simple project will be, we are writing a program. We are writing what exactly? Program. The next one will be, we are hitting the URL. Hitting what exactly? Website. Hitting what exactly? Website. And third one is getting the data. Then fourth one is creating the data frame. Creating what exactly? Creating data frame. That's what we are doing. In a simple way, simple, we are writing a program. Yes, the program is a run underscore ecom underscore run, something like that. Once you are writing the program, what exactly we are doing, by using that, we are hitting the website. To hitting the website, we are taking the URL. This is the normal phrase sentence actually. Once you are hitting the any website, we are getting the data. With the data, what exactly we are doing? Creating the data frame. With all ecom1, ecom2, ecom3, the procedure is the same, but the folder structure is a quite different actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now with ecom vision 2, here, project structure you understand. And after that one, I run the project. I run what exactly? Project. Very good. In ecom vision 2, we are not using underscore underscore init file, sir. But if you have to use, why? Because there is a good benefit actually. Then we are running the project. That is still fine. We are getting an output actually. In ecom vision 3, sir, I need a help actually. What we are doing? Using underscore underscore init.py file. Then what exactly we are doing actually? Tell me. Running the project. Am I right? Running the project. Now, did you understand why I have taken the pain, divided project 1, project 2, project 3 actually? If you explained directly project 3, I'm sure, sir, you may get a headache actually by this time. I supposed to give the tablet by this time. Are you clear? Yeah, good. But I have a headache today actually. But I'm managing. Yeah, good. Yeah, yeah. Let's move on. Now, are you ready? Do you want to test what is the benefit of running under? We no need to run, sir. Divya, we no need to run the file actually. Just we need to configure the function names. This file we never ever run actually. Just we need to configure. We are running the project. I'm not telling we are running this file actually. We are running the project. Running the project in the sense, so there is a file, right? Run underscore ecom.py. That's we are running. Hope you understand. Divya, let's move on. What is the next one? Are you ready? New scenario. What is the next one? Ecom vision 4. Sir, can I continue? I will continue, sir. Let us just try to take the project actually. Go to that. Please understand. I'm swapping here and there actually. You need to understand the flow. Ecom vision 1. Sir, seriously telling, Ecom Vision 4 is real interesting. Project is real interesting. Understand the structure first of all. Ecom Vision 4. First of all, structure is the same. Ecom Vision 4. Okay. SRC we know. Read we know. Requirements we know. Along with that SRC, one more folder name is a data. One more folder name is what exactly? Data. Very good. Good. Then open SRC. We already know this one. Open this, we can open, don't worry. Open this one. We know these are all. This is supporting file, still you can ignore that. Sir, do manually. I request you, if you do manually, like a create the file, write the code actually, man, you will become architect actually, trust me. Overall big architects, they never use ideas. They will try to write from the scratch. Whenever you're writing from scratch, you can gain lot of knowledge. Don't depend upon ID. Don't depend upon ID actually. Good. Now you can just try to go to the utilities and you can just try to open this one. And I hope you already know, except one thing. What is actually data? What is exactly data? Good. Let me tell you, what is the data? Sir, what we are planning, the according to the Ecom Vision 4 project, actually, the planning will be first one, we are writing a program. We are writing what exactly? Program. Second point will be hitting the website. Hitting what exactly? Hitting the URL or website actually. Hitting the URL. Third one will be getting the data. Third one will be what exactly? Getting the data. Fourth one will be creating a data frame. Fourth one will be what exactly? Creating a data frame. Now I have a question for you. Get ready. Sir, assuming that you done client came to client have given a requirement actually. That requirement will be just I wanted to know top 5 rows actually. How many rows? Top 5 rows actually. Then the steps you executed. Then what is the step actually? Talk with me. Df dot head. Df dot what exactly? Head. Requirement number one is done. I would like to say requirement number one is done. This is on Monday or else Monday morning 10 actually. Then immediately client has given one more program. Program will be, I just wanted to know bottom rows, the bottom 5 rows actually. What we need to do? Again, you need to run, again, you need to run the same program. Then here you will get a requirement actually. Right, good. Bottom 5 rows, bottom 5 rows actually. When I say the bottom 5 rows, again the data frame dot what exactly? Talk with me. Tail method. What method, sir? Tail method. Now, did you notice one thing? Every time you are hitting the website, not a good practice. First time you are hitting the website, getting the data, creating a data frame, then you are calling the tail method. You are calling what exactly? Head method actually. Second time also, you are running the program, hitting the website, getting the data. Every time, almost 2 times you are hitting the website here actually. But instead of this one, Daniel, do you have any alternative? Sir, we have one alternative. If you want, I will tell you what is that alternative. Do one thing, create a one folder. That folder name is a data. That folder name is what exactly? Data. First time you are hitting the data frame and getting the data frame, right? This data frame, store the file inside of the data. Store the file inside of what exactly? Why we are storing? Any idea? Advantage, sir. Sometimes if network is gone actually, let me tell you, if network is gone, you cannot hit the website actually. Then you already showed the file, right? Now, you should not tell, man, network is down actually, I cannot access the data. No, 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 no. You have to take the backup. This is something like, you are running the program, hitting the website, getting the data frame, getting the data. By using that, we are creating a data frame, store the data frame in one folder. That is the backup. That is what exactly? Here onwards, did you notice whenever you are running the program, the time span is more, it is taking long time. But instead of that one, if you store the data frame in your local actually, accessing is very easy, sir. Super fast actually. Best examples are in my home, water bottle is available. Accessing that one is easy. Otherwise, store water bottle is available, which is available very clearly. In home, it is available very clearly actually. Are you fine? Now, let me show you. That's what the project purpose will be. I have explained about the purpose actually. Good. Then what we need to do, okay. Inside of data, there is a folder. Folder name is a raw folder. What folder? What do you mean by raw? Directly we are copying the file. Then that is called as a raw folder. That is called as what folder, sir? Raw folder. Then, after processing, we need to create a one more file. That file name is called as a processed. That file name is called as what exactly? Processed file actually. Are you with me? Can I get a response? Good. Open this one. If you want, you can observe here file we have created actually. What is that file name, sir? Talk with me. Transaction underscore data CSV. First of all, did you understand the scenario or not? Did you understand? Let me repeat one more time. No, no, no. Easy. Very easy. It's not a complex actually. If you want, let me repeat one more time. It's very easy, sir. If you understand first one, second one, and third one, fourth one is the same process, sir. Fourth one is the same process actually. But in fourth project, what exactly we are doing, what exactly we are doing, boss? Along with that SRC, along with that SRC, there is a folder. Folder name is a data. There is a folder. Folder name is what exactly? Data. Whenever here you are running the program, during running the program, what exactly happening? You are getting a data frame. You are getting what exactly, sir? Now my motto will be, let me store this data frame inside of this data. That's what we are doing. I hope if I have given data frame, can you please give me the CSV file? What we need to do? Any idea? Somebody told we need to call a method. Method name is a to underscore CSV. That's it. There is nothing is new actually. Are you with me? This project, I will give you a bumper offer. I will explain 2 times, sir. So please get ready. Get ready. It's very, very easy, man. So I'm here. Don't worry. Ah. Good, good methodology. Yeah, let me explain very clearly. Come on, look at my screen. Ecom Vision 1, just try to come here. Sir, let me delete this file. Why? Because we are creating now. This file I have created a long back actually. Are you ready? Let me delete this file first of all. I have deleted, sir. Come on, as usual. At first, what we need to open? What file you need to open? Tell me. Run underscore ecom. Very good. Get ready. We are opening the file. Close. These are all things. These are all things. Yeah, anyway, we already know these are all steps actually. We know this step, from ecom utilities, loading the data. Then loading the data step actually. Utilities dot load underscore data. That explanation I no need to provide actually. What exactly happened here, talk with me. Inside utilities, there is a file. File is a init file. There we have configured everything actually. I no need to explain. Now, this is the data frame. This is what exactly, sir? I mean to say that, can I say that is the data frame? From that data frame, we need to create a file. We need to create what exactly, sir? File actually. Are you with me? If you want, let me just try to open load underscore data. Now, please observe here. This is seriously interesting. Transaction underscore items equals to utilities. Then here you are having the data frame. Now, I would like to use this data frame. I would like to use what exactly? This data frame. And I wanted to create a CSV file. I wanted to create what exactly? CSV file. Do one thing. Let me just try to delete these raw stuff. Let me just try to delete these raw stuff. And here, take this one. Dot to CSV. Here, just try to provide, the same object name actually. Dot CSV. That's it. Sir, are you ready? Did you understand? Yeah, good. Let me run the project. Let me just try to run the project. I'm sorry, sir. Every time what you need to cross verify, which project number you are running, that really matters. Are you with me? If you run first project, I hope, only hello world output you will get actually. Please. Sir, this is seriously telling very good project actually. Loading the data. Sir, when I run this project, what happened? You need to talk with me. Data frame is created in, come again. Data frame is created in current folder. That point you need to understand actually. Where it is created actually? Current folder. Where is the current folder? Along with SRC actually. Along with what exactly? Am I right? But my motto is not like this. This file I wanted to create where exactly, data in real time. Source code in separate place actually. Data should be in separate place. We should not join together. We should not join what exactly together. Did you understand first of all? Yeah. Let me repeat one more time. If you are directly writing like this, by default, this method, what it will do, where this file is available inside SRC, along with the same directory, it will try to create the file, but that is not a good practice. What we need to do, sir, data means separate. You can just try to come here. Being a programmer, we need to be take care. Along with that SRC, there is a folder name is a data. Instead of this data, one more folder name is a raw. Instead of this one, I need to create actually. Then how to create, very easy. Get ready. Control Z. This is the code you need to follow. This is the code you need to follow. Very simple code actually. First of all, do you know about the format actually? Do you know about the format? Yeah, I hope you already know. Now come on, look at my screen. Creating the transaction underscore items in a raw folder actually. I hope you know where raw folder is available. Sir, first of all, create a fully qualified path. What exactly? Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Fully qualified path. I mean to say that where you wanted to store, if you want to do one thing, you can just try to delete this one. You can just try to delete this one. You can just try to come here. Yeah. Where you wanted to store, sir? Inside you come for data, inside raw, copy paste this. Copy this one. Then here you need to paste actually. Very good. But ensure that you have to provide one more extra backslash. One more extra backslash. That is a good practice actually. Provide this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I hope you're getting actually. Are you with me? First we created what exactly? No, simple. We created one string with the name. Sir, nothing is there. Pure Python code. Nothing is there. Then it is a directory. All, so and so file. What is the folder name actually? Directory. transaction underscore items dot to CSV. And here format method we are calling. What method we are calling? Format. For format, what we are providing? Directory. Sir, this directory means this total path. It will come here and it will be append actually. Then what exactly happen? So and so file name, it will be created inside of this folder automatically. It will be created inside of that folder. What exactly, sir? Automatically. Did you understand or not? I have a question for you. If I am not providing this one, get ready. If I'm not providing this one, and if I call directly like this one, can somebody tell me what is the problem actually? The file, yeah, very good. The file will be created in the same directory. File will be created in what exactly, sir? Sir, I don't want to create the best example. I went to market. I brought vegetables actually. I don't want to keep in my room. I have a separate room for preparation. I just wanted to keep the vegetables in kitchen actually. Then whenever you are getting the data, this data I just wanted to store inside raw folder actually. Then this is the syntax. Nothing is there. If you know format method, you can understand. If you don't know format method, do let me know. I can help you actually. Did you understand? I have a one simple question. Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Any idea? Huh? Sir, then you don't know format. Come again. No, this is I'm asking, sir. This is I'm asking. Any idea? That is having separate name. If you don't know that one, I can help you. If you in the sense anyone, I'm not pointing anyone. No worries. Sriram sir, we can use. We can use. Yeah, very good. Very good. That's what I expected actually. This is called as a placeholder. This is called as what exactly? Placeholder. I understand, sir. Let me explain the example. Hey, please, I'm sorry for getting. Let me explain the first example actually. Come on, nothing is there. Name equals to Daniel. Print name. Test1.py. Run this project. Run this program. Yeah, we are getting an output actually. Am I right? But I'm expecting, here what I'm expecting, my name is, can just try to observe here. My name is Daniel. My name is what exactly? Daniel. Good, very good. Now let me just try to take, profession. Data scientist. Sir, don't consider spelling mistake. Now just try to come here. I am working as, comma, what I need to write? Profession. Good. You can just try to run this one. Sir, my name is a Daniel, working as a data scientist. Sir, if I take extra one more variable, that print statement taking lot of burden. See, lot of commas, lot of variable, lot of strings actually. The same thing you can achieve by using format method. What method? Let me show you. Let me show you. Do one thing. Just try to come here. You can just try to provide a double quote actually. Dot format. What we need to provide actually? Dot format. Then instead of this one, how many variables are available? First variable is the name. Very good. Then here, my name is, exactly take this one. The statement will be provide one small space and provide placeholder. What is that one? Placeholder. This is called as a placeholder, but not a dictionary. What exactly happened, the name Daniel, this Daniel will come and it will be stored here actually. Look at the program output. How nice it is actually. Wow. Really good. Same thing like that. Take this one. Sir, no commas, no extra thing is required actually. Just try to continuation. Here, one more placeholder. Provide comma. What I need to provide? Profession. Now talk with me. Which one is seriously very good actually? First one or the second one? Second one. Second one actually. Here, format method it is using, formatting the string actually. Few guys are, I hate actually. Few guys are telling I like first one only. That is up to you, sir. That is okay. I hate. That is okay. Let me run this example. Good, all right. My name is Daniel and I'm working as what exactly? Data scientist. Did you understand? Now here also we are using same thing. Here also we are using what exactly? Same thing actually. Exactly. Directory means the placeholder, exactly the value, what value you are providing, that value it will come and it will be created actually. Did you understand? I hope you understand, sir. Are you with me? Good. So let me run the file. Let me run what exactly file actually. Ecom Vision 4. First of all, here I need to run actually. Let me close everything, man. Let me close everything. I have closed this one. As I told you, I will give small offer actually. That offer would be, I will explain Ecom Vision 4 one more time. That's it. Not this one. Yeah, before running, you can just try to come here. You can just try to, delete this. Come here, open data, raw actually. Sir, I'm running this one. Get ready. Look at my screen. Get ready. Are you ready? Can I run the program? Yeah, let me run. If everything fine, it's supposed to create the file in this location, man. Yeah, file created. Did you notice? File created actually. That too, the path name you have to be careful. Path name you have to give in a right direction actually. If somewhere something went wrong, what I mean to say, you can just try to come here and you can just try to open this one actually. This file name should be match. At least if you are giving something like one actually, something like one. Now run the project. Yeah, what it is telling, cannot save the file in a non-existing directory. Hey, Daniel, first of all, this directory is non-existing. File folder is not available. How can I save the file? Something like this. Did you understand? I hope you understand, sir. Right? Can I explain one more time? Ecom Vision 4? Hope you understand. If you want, I can explain. Can I explain? All right. I hope you understand. Let's move on. Control Z. You can apply this. Now, can I explain Ecom 5? Simple, sir. Let me explain. I will give a small overview. Then I can explain. Come on. Let me drink water, please. That's what I have divided into like a one requirement, one project. One requirement, one project. If I explain directly Ecom 4, I'm sure you will literally feel very painful. You cannot understand. You may feel what is going on. If I'm directly explain this 4, first of all, I need to explain the project structure. I need to explain about the load underscore function. We need to, it is returning the data frame. That too, I need to explain. We are using INIT file. You're using what exactly? INIT file. Then finally, I need to explain, we are getting the data frame. That data frame we need to store inside in data. It takes a lot of time. That's why requirement number one project. Requirement number 2, another project. Requirement number 3, another project. Did you understand? But when you're talking about the Ecom Vision 4, all 3 requirements you should understand actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. So the next one is what exactly, let me give a small revision. Ecom Vision 1. We are just trying to directly understand the project structure. Ecom Vision 2. Not using underscore INIT file. Then definitely there is a disadvantage and limitation. Ecom Vision 3. We are using INIT file to configure the function name. There is an advantage. Ecom Vision 4. We are using INIT file. Yeah. At the same time, what we're doing, sir, storing the data in raw folder, sir. What folder actually? Raw folder. Are you with me or not? Are you ready? Good. Now, what is the next requirement, Sir, next requirement, exactly copy paste of the 4 actually. Exactly copy paste actually. Along with this one, I have a question for you. Where my file is available, talk with me. Very good. One more time. Where my folder is available, where my file is available. That file I'm planning to load. That's it. We already created the file inside in raw folder. We already created the file inside in which folder actually? Raw folder. I'm planning to load that file. That's my requirement. I'm planning to load that file. I will apply small processing technique, something like I will delete missing value. Then I will create a folder again. That folder name is called as a processor folder actually. I just wanted to store inside of processor folder. Once the file is processed actually, you should not store again in a data. You should not store again in a raw folder actually. Did you understand the requirement or not? Okay. I will give explanation. If you want, I can explain today. Otherwise, we'll see according to the timeline. Let me give an explanation. To understand all of the requirements, at any cost, you have to practice all these things actually. Till either 5 or 6, I can explain, and other things you have to take an assignment actually. On an average, 10 sets I do have. I implemented 30, like a 30 projects like this actually, but you have, it's not required for you. You have to do. These are all things one by one. All right. Sir, can I show you? All right. Uh, Sriram sir, we can use sir, but double quotes required. Double equal symbol is required. In which year generative AI came actually? So 2021. I mean, where the Chat GPT born actually? In 2018, there was a one model. Model name is a BERT model actually. It was came. All right, sir. Maybe let me close today's session. Tomorrow I may explain till 5 to 6 portion actually. Then you can take assignment for the next one. Can I upload all these projects? Are you ready? Can I upload? Yeah, let me upload. Sir, good. Hold on. Look at me. Look at my screen, everyone. Look at my screen, everyone. First program you can run directly. Second program you can run directly. Third program, whenever you are running, what you need to change, any idea? Open inside of this one. Sir, in your program, you need to change this path actually. Not third actually, fourth one. Yeah, sorry. Whenever you are running the fourth project in your laptop, then you need to change this path. Am I right or not, sir? Why? Because in my laptop the path will be user Daniel desktop project Daniel actually. Then in your laptop, the file previously one student asked, please, you should know these are all. You should have actually. Yeah, good. I will do one thing. Let me just try to around 5 lakhs rows, sir. Maybe it occupies more memory. Sriram, sir, I can upload. చెప్పండి. అప్లోడ్ చేయలేదా? Oh, let me upload. Oh, okay. So please focus. 3 topics are important. Python, Pandas, ML. I promise, like I will share machine learning FAQs questions also. I will share in some time. Go back to the machine learning. Navy bias. Sir, here already there are few Python members. You already know end-to-end Python actually. But I'm sure first time you are seeing how to use INIT file. You need to understand. Very, very important. If you already know this one, that is okay. Sir, what is the data set? Titanic data set, I guess. Today you guys expected holiday, right? Naresh Shetty never gives, sir. Why holiday? Don't you know? May 1st, sir. One to five or four versions? Four versions. All right, sir. We done for today's session. Thank you for joining. Online team, thank you. We done for today's session. Sriram, sir, I can directly upload you. Yeah, it's a lifetime access, sir. It's a lifetime access. All right, thank you. I'm sorry for late response.